Good morning, everyone. Today is Sunday, August 16th, 2026 at 10:11, and today we have our Day 1 Outlook to look at for today. So let's go ahead and take a look at it. So in today's Day 1 Outlook, we've got a slight risk that encompasses parts of southeastern Wyoming, southwestern Nebraska, and central to northern Colorado. We have another slight risk that encompasses parts of eastern Illinois, southern Indiana, southern Ohio, northern Kentucky, much of West Virginia, much of Virginia, Washington, D.C., parts of Maryland, southwestern Pennsylvania. We have a marginal risk that encompasses parts of northern North Carolina, southern and western Virginia, southern West Virginia, central and southern Kentucky, much of Illinois, parts of southern and central Missouri, going into central Indiana, central to northern Ohio, and western through southern Pennsylvania, including my area, all of Delaware, and southern New Jersey. We have another marginal risk that encompasses parts of northeastern New Mexico, northern Texas Panhandle, western Oklahoma Panhandle, western Kansas, central to eastern Colorado, western Nebraska, eastern Wyoming, western and central South Dakota, southeastern Montana, and southwestern North Dakota, So we have those areas under a margin of risk for today. So let's go ahead and see what we've got for today. Today we have a 2% tornado risk that encompasses parts of southeastern Ohio, much of West Virginia, southwestern Pennsylvania, western and central Maryland, and much of Virginia, including Washington, D.C. So we have those areas under a 5% or 2% for today, We have Washington, D.C., Richmond, Arlington, Newport News, and Hampton under the 2%. So we could see the F0 tornado possible in the 2% area today. Going into the wind threat for today, we have a 15% that encompasses parts of eastern Illinois, southern Indiana, northern Kentucky, southern Ohio, much of West Virginia, southwestern Pennsylvania, western and central Maryland, much of Virginia, and Washington, D.C. We have a 5% that encompasses parts of northern North Carolina, southern and western Virginia, southern West Virginia, central Kentucky, much of Illinois, much of Missouri, central Indiana, central to northern Ohio, central and southwestern Pennsylvania, including my area, central Maryland, all of Delaware, and southern New Jersey. We have another marginal risk that encompasses parts of northeastern New Mexico, northern Texas Panhandle, western Oklahoma Panhandle, western Kansas, central to eastern Colorado, extreme southeastern Wyoming, western Nebraska, western South Dakota, northeastern Wyoming as well, southeastern Montana, and southwestern North Dakota. So we have those areas under a 5% today. So we have Columbus, Washington, D.C., Cincinnati, Louisville, and Norfolk under the 15%, and Minneapolis, Baltimore, Denver, Cleveland, and Virginia Beach under the 5%. So for the 15% area, we could see 60 to 75 mile per hour wind gusts possible today. 5% we could see 60 to 70 mile per hour wind gusts possible today, so please be mindful of that today. Going into the hail threat for today, we have a 15% that encompasses central to northern Colorado, southeastern Wyoming, and southwestern Nebraska. We've got a 5% that encompasses parts of northern New Mexico, eastern and central Colorado, eastern Wyoming, western Nebraska, western South Dakota, southeastern Montana, and southwestern North Dakota. So we have those areas under a 5% hail risk for today. We have Denver, Colorado Springs, Aurora, Thornton, and Pueblo under the 15%, and Lakewood, Fort Collins, Westminster, Arvada, and Boulder under the 5%. So for the 15% area, we could see 1 to 3 inch diameter hail possible today. 5% we could see 1 to 2 inch diameter hail possible today, so please be mindful of that. Going into the summary for today, it says thunderstorms with damaging wind gusts will be possible from this afternoon into early evening over parts of the Ohio Valley and Mid-Atlantic. Large hail and isolated severe wind gusts will also be possible in parts of the central high plains. So I do really hope you stay weather aware and stay safe today. There's today's hail risk. There's today's wind risk. There is today's tornado risk. And there's today's Day 1 Outlook. So I do really hope you stay weather aware and stay safe today. Yes, even though that you may be under a margin of risk for today, you still want to remain weather aware and safe, as you never know what these storms could do in the marginals. Anyway, I do really hope you have a great rest of your day, and I will have my Day 2 Outlook later on this afternoon when this becomes, I'll have my Day 2 Outlook later on this afternoon. Anyway, I hope you have a great day, stay weather aware, stay safe, and take care.